Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint this loose acrylic flowers with bold and beautiful brush strokes. It's super fun and easy, so I hope you like it. But first, fun announcement, it is time for our giveaway of the month, and I'm so excited to be giving off this original acrylic sky painting. All you have to do to enter is to join my private Facebook group and like the post there so that I know that you want in. The link to my Facebook group is in the description, and the winner will be announced next Wednesday, July 22nd. Okay, so I am going to be using Arteza acrylic paints today. The links to everything I will be using and the names to the paints will be in the description below. You can also get 10% off if you want to grab this paint set. I absolutely love the options they provide. And for the brushes, I will be using a number 8 flat brush for the flowers, and then just a long thin brush for just few details here and there. I will also be using Strathmore acrylic paper this time. I like to cut them up for smaller pieces, and then I'm also going to be taping the edges with this masking tape. Again, you'll find all these links in the description down below. Okay, so to start off, I am lightly mapping out where I want things to go, just to have some placement in mind. If you want to know how to draw out a rose flower, I have explained it in a little bit more detail in this video right here, so make sure to click in this corner if you want to know how to draw that out. These are all the colors that I will be using for the flowers. You can find the names to everything in the description. Alright, so like always, we will begin with our dark values and then we'll build up slowly to the lights. I am first mixing Indian yellow, magenta, and a bit of black to get this dark burgundy color to start with the phase 1, and I'll just simply follow the lines that I roughly made. Now, making a slightly lighter version of that same color, I am filling in the gaps. Adding a bit of pink to this equation creates this gorgeous color that I'm obsessed with. Remember, this is supposed to be loose and impressionist in a way, so do not shy away from making those brush strokes bold and confident. So if you look at real flowers, you will notice that the outer petals of flowers, they do get lighter as they expand. So I'm making a peachy tone here to add to the outside. Also, feel free to look at real flowers when you paint this to give you some inspiration. I'm definitely pulling out my color inspo from these gorgeous peonies that I have sitting in the corner, which, by the way, I do plan on doing a tutorial of. So peonies, hydrangeas, tulips are all on my list. But hey, let me know in the comments below what flowers you would like to see me paint. I'm gonna hold off the flower a bit and get some leaves going on here. So I'm starting with olive green and a tiny, just a tiny tinge of pink. And I made some few loose strokes here and there. For the background, I wanted this to be very light, almost like a light blue color, so that is what I went for. I added a sky blue with some white and just a bit of that pink to make everything blend. And then I just very loosely filled in some of those white gaps. Pulling in a much lighter green, I think it's called yellow green. I'm gonna define some of those shapes a bit more and then just tie everything together. Okay, so for the final stage here, I am just adding in some last minute darks and lights to bring a slight pop to the overall painting. I really hope you guys enjoyed this fun and loose interpretation of today's rose painting. Remember, if you would like to paint this and share this with me, I would absolutely love to see it. So you can do that by joining my private Facebook group, which is linked in the description. I'm also running a giveaway this week, which will also happen in my Facebook group, so check that out if you are interested. And lastly, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you can join the fam. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you next week. Bye guys.